Welcome everyone to the first episode of building a Discord bot with Python. In this episode we will be installing the components we need, which is basically the library. To do it, go to your preferred terminal and then install discord.py. Don't miss the dot there, mine is already installed, it may take you like 10 seconds to install. After doing that, go to your favorite browser and go to the Discord developer portal. Create a new application, just enter the name and press on create. I've already done one. After that, go to bot, say add bot here. I already created one. And after that, go to all-out2 bot administrator and copy this link. After doing that, let's open Atom or any preferred text editor you would like to use. I already have a file here, let me delete everything because I've done this tutorial before. We are going to start off with importing the library we just installed. And then from the extension part of that library, which the ext stands for, we are going to import comments. And we are going to set a client. You can call this anything you want, it doesn't really matter. Comments.bot. Here we are going to set our prefix. A prefix is basically what you type before you run the comment. So for example, when I say exclamation mark meme, it sends me a meme. The exclamation mark here is the comment prefix. I'm going to make it a dash. And later on we're going to create a client event. A client event is basically, as it says, it's an event. There's also a client comment. The difference between the two is to run a client command you will need to use the prefix, but to use an event you don't need it. We're just going to see if the bot is running for now, so we're not going to add any comments. This on ready thing is the part of the bot. Whenever it is running and everything is going fine, it is going to send us a signal that it is ready, and we want it to print bot is ready whenever this ready is true. Later on we will need a client.run command, and we will have to insert our token here, which I will show you later. Now go to your Discord app and just create a new server like I did here. Create a bot text channel, and you can go to your browser. As I ask you to copy this, just paste it here and select your server from here. Say continue, authorize. I'm not a robot, and just do the reCAPTCHA. After it has been authorized, go back to your Discord app and you should be able to see your bot here. It is offline right now, so let's get it on now. To do that, go to bot, scroll up, and here it says token. Copy the token, go to your text editor, and paste the token here. Don't share this token publicly, I don't really care about this bot, so I'm going to do it anyways. But people can use this token to run anything with your bot, so be careful. Let's save this, and let's run the command, the code. So it said bot is ready. Let's go and check, and as you can see, our bot is online. That is all for the first episode. Hope to see you guys in the next episode, in which we will actually start working on commands.